base leg, and we're high. Throttle back, throttle back, throttle back. In theory, we have practically no need for power. We should be able to make the runway. If we turn at 1200, we should be fine. That puts us at 1000 or 800 turning final, which is good. I'll make a call. CYRP traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November. Turning final, runway 10, touch and go. Looking good.
Woodford traffic, number 2 minute Woodford.
So don't raise the nose, no, you lower the nose, you stay at 70. Very good. Good speed. And if you don't change the angle of approach, you don't change the speed. And we keep that speed right to the runway until about 10 feet off the runway, where we simply level off at that point. Like about here, start leveling off and wait. So you're pulling on the stick. We're not supposed to pull.
Yeah.
Okay, touch and go. Because when you pull, you stall. You don't want to stall. Very nice. You have to resist pulling. The only time you pull is when you take off. That's the only time.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about time. When we depart, we leave all the buildings
traffic number
behind us.
number 4, Woodford.
Looks good. Touch and go. Sure.
CYRP traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November, mid downwind, runway 10. Will we touch and go again?
Sure. See, I don't mind at all what speed you are at this point on the downwind, or even in the base leg. Well, when I insist on a steady speed, it's when you're lined up with the runway. The rest of the time, be free. Okay.
CYRP traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November, turning final, runway 10, touch and go.
I agree. A little bit of power, maybe a little bit more, like that. Perfect. But keep the power, keep the power, keep that power. Keep that little bit of power. Just a little bit. Okay, level off. And wait. You see the airplane just comes to the runway when she is ready. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Have enough light for another touch and go. Okay with you?
Absolutely. Traffic, ultralight Golf, Oscar November, downwind, runway 10, touch and go.
Now you're over the intersection.
Unicom, this is Sept, Golf, Bravo, Alpha, approaching the airport from the west, looking for an airport advisory.
Do you think you can make the runway from here?
Yes.
Okay, throttle back then. And the first thing you do is you turn, put the nose down to keep your speed, and turn towards it. So I want to say 3,000 RPM. 3,000, even less power than that. Okay. And we'll go 90 degrees from it. And 70. Yeah. Very good. So in theory, yes, you can make...
Traffic Cessna 122, go direct Alpha is at 1,800 feet. Just southwest of the airport, orbit descending to circuit altitude on the upwind, runway 10. Crossing all head to field, 3 giant bed left downwind to 10.
CYRP traffic, Golf Oscar November, on short final, runway 10, touch and go.
See? No problem. The important thing is to keep your speed. So nose down, nose down, nose down, nose down,
Yep.
up to here. And then wait. Do nothing. There. So you went down with little to no power. So full power. Let's go for another touch and go. Last one. So the first thing you do if the engine quits is nose down to establish your speed, and then you refine the speed at what you need, the 70, but at least the nose is down. The first abrupt maneuver, nose down, will keep you flying. Then you adjust, and then you normally turn right for your landing spot. If you haven't, in this case you have the runway, if you haven't got one, well, you have maybe 5 or 10 seconds to decide on one. Not 5 minutes, like 5 seconds.
Whoa, that's cool.
Traffic, Golf Bravo Alpha, crossing mid-left downwind, joining left downwind. midfield, 1,400 feet with the traffic. We'll be joining mid-left down with the 10 touching go ahead.
Okay.
I see him.
You see him? I don't.
Yeah. He's just, as soon as I turn, you'll see him.
Okay, I see him, yeah.
Curb traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November is turning downwind for runway 10, full stop, number 2.
Curb traffic, Golf Oscar Golf, now in the mid-left down with the 10 touching go ahead.
I think he said touch and go. And if he doesn't, well, we'll do a another full stop, but we'll do a low approach, as it's only one aircraft on the runway at any time. We'll just follow him. Yep. So he goes quite far, we'll go quite far. So we're just now more or less cruising. Normally when an aircraft goes by you and you're on the downwind, he's on final, you can turn after he's by and past you. Like he's past now.
Curb traffic, Foxtrot Echo Uniform Hotel, approaching from the northwest over the town of Curb, 2,200. Planning to overfly at 1,900, so take a look at the windshock.
Curb traffic, Bravo Echo Alpha is on final 10 touch and go Curb.
We're high now.
Curb traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November is base leg runway 10, full stop.
Well, throttle back first. If you are to do a side slip, it's because you have too much altitude. So the first way of losing altitude is power down. I agree, a little more.
Curb traffic, Golf Oscar November, turning final, runway 10, full stop.
Looks good now. Oh, lights are on, UP. Even a little more, yeah. Okay, throttle back, throttle back, throttle back.
Gets unstopped.
Okay, good. So I guess a little more. Good practice. We'll be fine. Good speed. Not quite lined up. That's okay. Looking good. A little bit of power. Just a bit. Like this, yeah. Level off. Perfect. And nothing to do now. Good. And brakes, yes. If you ever feel you don't have enough runway, shut down the engine. Just turn the key off.
Yeah. Parking her.
Yep.
Curb traffic Echo Uniform Hotel, crossing midfield at 1,900. Planning to descend on the south side of the field.
Curb traffic, ultralight Golf Oscar November is backtracking runway 10 to Alpha.
I see them straight.
Plenty of time. Nothing on final. There you go. Good practice. Time now. 07, so we've done a